Can you see the eagles? Oh my goodness, I've never seen them here before. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. Yep, that's another one. And one down in the green. Holy moly. Let's see if I can even zoom in even closer on them. Man, if I've got the zoom on and they're that far away, they're big. Look at them just going round and round and higher. Oh, maybe I wasn't filming them. There you go. Holy moly. You know, I hear people talk about them. Now, I don't know if I got them in the camera for you. I have to go out a bit. We've been coming to this spot for a number of years, and the locals have talked about these eagles, and yet I've never actually seen them until today. I don't even know if I got them in the camera right now. Can you see them? I'm just in the sky. Oh, wow. I have to zoom out. I don't know if you've got them. Beautiful. They're just having so much fun, just enjoying flying. Look at this view. Okay, so we've left the eagles and we're back down to this view. And I'm just sitting in the warm spring sunshine, enjoying this. I feel very blessed. Can you see the eagles? They're still there. Amazing.